Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to return Mamaearth products. First, make sure your case is valid. This includes situations like receiving a wrong item, a broken or damaged product, an expired item, or a missing product, otherwise the return request may be rejected. Next, raise a return request within the allowed time. You must apply within 2 days for damaged or missing items and within 7 days for wrong or expired products. To apply, go to Contact Us or Chat Support and share your order ID, problem description, and clear photos of the product and packaging. After that, wait for approval. Mamaearth reviews your request, and this usually takes around 1 to 2 working days. Now, once approved, the product pickup will be arranged. A courier will come to pick up the product, and this usually takes around 3 to 7 days. If pickup is not available in your area, you will need to self-ship the product. Next, the product goes through a quality check at the warehouse, where the team verifies the issue. Finally, after approval, you will receive a refund or replacement. The refund is usually processed within 5 to 7 working days, and the full process may take up to 2 weeks. The money is returned to the same payment method such as card or UPI, and for cash on delivery orders, it is usually sent through bank transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.